Hello, today I'm going to show you how to replace sound notifications with visual cues so that system alerts are announced with visual notifications instead of sound. So we're going to go down to System Preferences. We're going to find the blue icon that says Accessibility and click that. And then on the left we're going to go under Hearing and click Audio. And then it says Flash to Screen when an alert sound occurs. We're going to click that. So this is what it looks like when we test the screen flash. So this will happen when you receive a notification of any kind rather than a chime or dinging sound. The screen will flash. Another option instead of the flash would be to simply just change how the notifications are shown. So we can go notifications and then we can go down to messages, for example. So I have mine set to banners so they just appear in this corner and then go away automatically. We can change it to alerts so they stay on the screen until they're dismissed. So they'll just last on the screen longer and you'll be able to recognize them. By changing these settings, a person who is hearing impaired will be able to receive a notification in an easier way since they'll be able to see it when the screen flashes or see it on top of the screen when a notification comes through. Thank you.